What's up gamers, Malakan here from MKAU Gaming, as usual bringing you the latest and greatest in gaming news and reviews. Samsung recently invited us to an exclusive one-on-one preview of their 2025 monitor lineup. So at 9 AM on the 26th of June, I was buckled into a Boeing 737-800 on my way down. After some quick introductions and a bite to eat, we were taken into a private showroom where Samsung had not one, not two, but 4 monitors ready to show off. And what they showed us completely blew me away. First up, we've got the 32-inch Samsung Smart Monitor M9, Samsung's first QD OLED smart monitor running at 165Hz with a 0.03 millisecond response time. But what makes it smart is the AI-driven upscaling, display optimization, and a host of streaming services. Whether you're working, resting, or playing, this monitor's got you covered. You don't even need to have it connected to a device to work. It comes preloaded with Microsoft 365 for productivity, Samsung TV Plus and streaming services for watching movies and TV, and even the Samsung Gaming Hub, so you can enjoy all your games through the cloud. Next up was the 37-inch Samsung Viewfinity S80D, built for content creators. We're talking 4K, Pantone validation, HDR10, and over 1 billion colors, all on a massive 37-inch screen. Despite its size, the 16:9 aspect ratio keeps it usable without feeling overwhelming. It's also TUV certified for reduced eye strain, features a matte display, and comes packed with inputs and a KVM switch, making it ideal for pro workflows. As Samsung's premium OLED gaming monitor, the 32-inch Samsung Odyssey OLED G8 is available in 27 or 32 inches, delivers 4K resolutions, 240Hz refresh rate, 0.03 millisecond response time, and comes with Display HDR True Black 400. It's fast, it's sharp, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Whether you're playing competitively or diving into an immersive story, this one ticks all the boxes. My jaw hit the floor when I sat down in front of the 27-inch Samsung Odyssey 3D monitor. By using dual eye-tracking cameras to meticulously measure your distance from the monitor, and AI to accurately place pixels as required, it creates a glasses-free 3D image that doesn't just look good, it feels like you're inside the game. Playing the first Berserker Kazan was wild. Snow particles were flying out of the screen, characters looked like they could reach out and grab you, and honestly, I swore out loud when one did. But don't worry, it's still a beast even without 3D, rocking 4K, 165Hz refresh rates with a millisecond response time, spatial audio, and RGB edge lighting. This thing's built for the future. After being sworn to secrecy, we were swept away to a separate meeting room that had been refurbished into a gamer's paradise. Meet the 27-inch Samsung Odyssey OLED G6, packing not one, but 2 world-first innovations. This 27-inch Quad HD monitor hits a mind-melting 500Hz refresh rate with a 0.03 millisecond response time. And yes, you heard me right, 500 Hz. We're also getting Display HDR True Black 500, Pantone validation, and a super crisp 110 ppi pixel density. Whether I was spotting enemies in Rainbow Six Siege or basking in the cinematic beauty of Assassin's Creed Shadows, this monitor made everything feel more alive than ever before. Samsung's all-new dynamic cooling system keeps it running cool, and combined with its OLED contrast and motion clarity, this is an absolute dream for competitive and cinematic gamers alike. My time with these monitors might have been short, but it was eye-opening. Samsung is yet again pushing the boundaries in ways I didn't expect, and I'm hyped to get hands-on with these in the near future. If you had to pick just one of these monitors for your dream setup, which one would it be? Let me know in the comments below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and click that bell so you don't miss what's coming next in the world of gaming. I'm Melikan from MKAU Gaming. Stay sharp, stay hyped, and I'll catch you in the next one.